UTech.
Press Windows key plus R in type control. Go to search and type mail. Click on Mail, then click on Add. Name your Outlook profile, and press OK. Go to Manual Setup or Additional Server Types, and press Next. Select POP or IMAP, and press Next. Select the account type, and fill the information. You will need to search the correct incoming and outgoing servers depending on your email provider. I will leave in the description a link where you can find some of the email provider servers and ports. Go to More Settings. Click on Outgoing Server tab, and check the box next to My Outgoing Server. Go to Advanced, then complete the ports and their types. You will find that information along with the servers. Press OK, then Next. If it says the credentials are incorrect, or it will keep spam a pop-up window to type in the password. Other steps will be required in order to finish. This happens because of the email provider's security measures regarding external apps and programs. In order to bypass their security, you will need to log on the provider website. Go to Options, Account Info, then Account Security. Click on Generate App Password. Replace your correct password with the generated one, and mark the box next to Require logon using secure password. Press Next. After it says completed, press Close then Finish.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.